The Oppo Reno 2Z comes with 48-megapixel quad cam with a rising front camera that helps you capture good photos even in low light conditions. It comes with 3D curved glass and a gradient finish back panel. For impact protection, the screen features a Corning Gorilla Glass. The phone is available in luminous black and sky white color variants. Oppo Reno 2Z comes with an 8GB RAM and 256GB internal memory for a smooth performance while playing games or switching between multiple apps. The phone comes with dual SIM. Both slots support 4G on dual standby. The Oppo Reno 2Z features a 6.53-inch AMOLED screen with 91.6% screen-to-body ratio that gives you a completely uninterrupted screen experience for watching videos, playing games, or reading ebooks. It also features a hidden fingerprint sensor that helps you unlock the phone instantly and securely. The phone has a 48-megapixel quad camera with ultra dark mode that lets you capture good pictures even at night. It also features an ultra steady mode and a bokeh effect video mode for recording videos. The 16-megapixel rising front camera lets you capture more natural-looking selfies. Powered by Android operating system with 2.2 GHz Helio P90 octa-core processor, this phone makes downloading as well as browsing very smooth. It comes with a 4000 mAh lithium polymer battery providing talk time of 36 hours and a standby time of 360 hours. It also comes with VOOC Flash Charge 3.0 that helps you charge faster. The box includes handset, Type-C cable, SIM tray ejector, pre-applied screen protector and protective case, booklet with warranty card and quick guide. The Oppo Reno 2Z comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail no-cost EMI and additional exchange offers with this phone. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking, or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options, and other offers, visit the product detail page.
Reno 2 Series. Quad camera with 20 times zoom. See more. See clear.